Peace, lovies. It's Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful, back at you with another one of my DIYs. So stay tuned.
You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
All right, we are back with another DIY. This is my DIY dish soap that I got from wellnessmama.com. I love her recipes. This one, oh my gosh, I will not ever stop using this. I don't think I will ever buy dishwashing liquid from the store again, like ever, because this one is thebomb.com. You have got to try it. It's 4 simple ingredients. Well, 5. You need washing soda, salt suds, table salt, water, and essential oil. And that is pretty much all that you need. And this dishwashing soap lasts for, oh my gosh, at least 2 to 3 weeks. Yes, for real. So you definitely get your bang for your buck. So first, you're going to pour your distilled water or, filtered water, whatever you want to put. You're going to put that. I'm going to have all the measurements up here. You're going to put that in, and then you're going to put, now I normally put the salt first, the table salt, but that time I put the washing soda first. 1 tablespoon of table salt. Now, do not use sea salt. Okay, this is important. You have to use table salt or kosher salt. That is key. If you use sea salt, the texture is and the consistency is going to be off. So then you're going to heat that up so that it dissolves. Then you're going to put 2/3 cup of salt suds in a cup, or in a bowl, whatever you're using, and then add that water and salt and washing soda mixture. You're going to pour that on in with the salt soap. And then I like to go ahead and add my essential oils. I usually add about 12 to 15 drops. Whatever essential oil you want. Like I like the citrus as well, but this time I use lavender. You can use whatever kind you want. Then you need to stir it up. This also is important. Stir it up really well, because if you do not, again, the consistency, the texture, all of that is going to be off. So you really want to stir it really well so it gets well mixed. So thoroughly stir, almost whisk, and you'll start to see the more you stir it, it'll start to thicken up, and then you'll start to see the consistency that looks like what you're used to your dish soap looking like. There you go. Yes. Nice and smooth, rich, thick, and non-toxic. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You don't have to worry about what's on your dishes that you are eating food on, having a bunch of chemical toxins on it. This is all natural. So then I have my little dish soap container. I will link it in the description box below. I just got it on Amazon, but I love this little cutesy thing. Anyway, I pour the dish soap in there because this is what I'll have on my sink, on hand. So I just pour it in there, fill it up, and that's it. Put the top on and you're all set. It makes 16 ounces. This recipe makes 16 ounces of dish soap, and you are all set. Again, it'll last you for about I guess it depends on how much you use, but about 2 to 3 weeks, But definitely the key things are that salt. So I hope that you all try this. Comment below on how it goes for you. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post these extra special videos like this. And I will see you all next time. Sunflower smooches, peace and love. Love ya. Mwah.